Very good morning, beta. Our today's important topic is chemical equation. What is chemical equation? It is a brief representation of a chemical change in terms of symbols and formulae of reactants and products. Means to write a chemical equation in a small form using symbol and formulae of reactants and products. For example, silver nitrate react with sodium chloride to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. This is the equation. If we are writing it in the lines, so we have to write in the 3-4 lines. But if we write it in the form of equation, so simply we will write in single line, and it is much more clear than the written form. Equation form is much more clear. We are easily identifying it and easily able to learn it. So therefore equation is the simplest and brief representation of a chemical reaction. Then comes what are the essentials of chemical equation. Essential means minimum requirement. Minimum requirement for a chemical equation to be correct equation. Equation घट्टो घट की होवे कि जिदे नाल equation correct होवे कि जो नहीं है तो equation wrong हो जूगी. तो there are three main essentials of chemical equation. Number one, equation must be real. That is, reaction must be experimentally verified. मतलब ਜਿਹੜਾ reaction वाकई ਹੁੰਦਾ है ਜਾਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ तो ਉਸੇ ਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ equation ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਅਨਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈਡ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਅਨਵੈਰੀਫਾਈਡ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ. ਨੰਬਰ 2, all of you know a very important equation must be balanced. That is, total mass of reactant must be equal to total mass of products. Law of conservation of mass. So that will be only obeyed if equation is balanced. कि total number of atom in reactant molecule is equal to total number of atom in product molecule elements. And third, essential for chemical equation to be correct is that it must be molecular. Especially in case of gases, elementary gases like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. They must be represented in their molecular form like H2, O2 and 2. We can't write like H, O or N because they do not remain in that form. Whatever form these element gases are exist, same elemental form must be written in the equation. For example, N2 plus H2 is equal to ammonia. This is the Haber process of preparation of ammonia. So in this case, nitrogen as well as hydrogen gases both are written in molecular form. NH नहीं लिखे आप, N2 plus H2 लिखे क्योंकि ये exist ही केड़ी form च कर दी हैं molecular state. You know molecule is the stable form which always exists independently. तो reactants and products must be written in their stable form. Stable form फिर केड़ी हुंदी है molecular form. So equation must be molecular means कि ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ reactant product हैं they must be written in their stable molecular form. So therefore collectively if we say कि what are the essentials of chemical equation, तो ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਹੂੰਗਾ कि chemical equation must be real, balanced and molecular. ਤਿੰਨ words ਵੀ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ कि chemical equation must be real, balanced and molecular. These are the essentials of chemical equation. Then comes the limitation of chemical equation. Limitations एक general chemical equation की होंदी है. From equation we does not come to know the physical state of reactant and product, whether they are solid, liquid or gas. We does not know the temperature of reaction, pressure of reaction, catalyst may be used or not, whether the reaction is isothermic or endothermic, or whether the reaction is reversible or irreversible. So these are the general problems या limitations which a normal chemical equation does not tells us. So then how to make the chemical equation more informative? What can be done so that all above information can be gained from the reaction? So that is very simple way. Number one, to write the physical state of reactant and product under them in the form of S, G and L. S for solid, G for gas, L for liquid, like in this case. Number two, the condition of reactions like temperature, pressure or catalyst used must be written on the arrow between reactant and product, like in this case. N2H2 is equal to ammonia. So this reaction happens at 723 Kelvin, catalyst is iron and temperature is 600 atmosphere. The temperature, pressure and catalyst must be written on the arrow between the reactants and products. Number 3, if reaction is endothermic or exothermic, that can be expressed like this. C plus O2 is equal to CO2 plus 395, where plus some value of heat is given, that means reaction is exothermic. Whereas in this case N2 plus O2 is equal to 2NO minus 185 kilojoule, that means minus when it is written in the equation at right side, it means equation reaction is endothermic and this much is heat absorbed during the reaction. So writing the heat in the form of plus and minus in kilojoule will express whether the reaction is exothermic or endothermic. And finally, if the reaction is reversible in nature, then it must be indicated by writing the double arrow between the reactants and products, where the forward arrow gives the forward reaction and backward arrow tells the backward reaction. Since in reversible reaction both forward and backward reaction goes simultaneously. Clear? Then comes about the balancing the chemical equation. All of you know the chemical equation must be balanced, because if it is balanced only then it obeys laws of conservation of mass, that total mass of reactant is equal to total mass of product. And balancing of equation means that total number of reactant atom of all elements must be equal to total number of product atom of all molecules. So balancing of equation, for example 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2O2, 2H2O. This is a balanced equation. So simple method that you have to use in balancing the chemical equation is hit and trial method. This will always work and this is important. What is to be done in hit and trial method? Like in this, ethanol react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So in hit and trial method, what you have to do? Find out the complex reactant or product. Complex का मतलब कि जेडे reactant product ज़्यादा type ਦੇ elements हैं. ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ ethanol ਹੈ which also contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. ਜਿਹੜਾ complex reactant ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ balance ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. We have to balance is number 1 and then check out which one is element. Oxygen is element, single type of atoms. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ end ਤੇ balance ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. ਬਸ hit and trial method 'ਚ ਆਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ. Balance the complex compound in the starting and balance the elemental compound at the end. What is to be done here? From the complex compound there are 2 carbon, so we write 2 in place in front of carbon dioxide. Then there are 5 plus 1 6 hydrogens, so we will write here 3 2 are 6 hydrogens. After balancing this only oxygen is left. So right hand side oxygens are 2 2 are 4 plus 3 7. On left hand side 1 plus 2 is 3. तो मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑक्सीजन बाई 3 3 2 6 प्लस 7, तो ऑक्सीजन भी बैलेंस हो गया, तो इधर भी 2 2 4 प्लस 3 7 एंड इक्वेशन गेट्स बैलेंस्ड. तो दैट इज़ हाउ टू बैलेंस द इक्वेशन बाय द हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड. तो थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू बेटा.